Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, where we provide peace of mind to families through estate planning, elder law, and probate matters. In the next few minutes, we're going to chat about why property owners will want to avoid probate. Before we get there, however, if you have any questions about this topic or anything estate planning and probate related, you can reach out to us for a free conversation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. Now, this topic is really focused on the many clients we represent who are property owners. And what we talk about with them is how their ownership in that property may impact things upon their passing, should that asset, their home or other properties, go through probate. And really, there's three downsides to look at. First, you have additional cost. Your home, for many people, is one of the larger assets in your estate. And so when you look at the schedule of fees related to probate in many states, surrogate courts, the higher the value of your estate, the higher the cost to do that probate. And they don't look at the net value or the equity you own in that property. Instead, they look at the fair market value at your passing. So even if you have a $400,000 home and a $200,000 mortgage, they are not looking at just $200,000 as part of that probate estate. They look at the full $400,000, and that's what the fees will be based off of. Secondly, there are, as we already have established, delays when it comes to courts. You will have a delay in time in designating an individual to act as your executor, and that forces your family or whoever is going to be your beneficiaries to wait to list that property, to sell that property. And as we know, time can be critical when it comes to market values and different things like that. Thirdly, there could be additional requirements in your state. Often, if an asset is going through the probate estate, and that state where you live in, where your property is located, has an estate tax, there could also be a requirement to get an estate tax waiver from the state before you go ahead and sell it. Again, additional delay in time and cost. So that being said, this is also true, doubly so, if you have, say, investment property or vacation property outside of your resident estate. And I say doubly so because your family or your trusted representatives will have to go through that same process and be subject to those three same things: additional costs, delay, and potential other requirements, not only in the home state, but also in that other state where you own real property. So just some food for thought if you are a property owner when it comes to the probate process. And as a reminder, if you have any questions about this topic or anything estate planning and probate related, you can feel free to reach out to us for a free conversation at yourplanningattorney.com. That's yourplanningattorney.com. Thank you so much for listening. And if you found this useful, please share, like, and subscribe where appropriate so you and others don't miss out. Again, Valerie Zammitti of Zammitti Law, where we provide peace of mind to families through estate planning, elder law, and probate matters. Have a good one.